In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on Google Pixel phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down and then click on about phone. Just scroll down, click on about phone here. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. Then click on build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm already a developer, so but for you it's gonna show you like a different thing. So once you click it 7 times, now you have enabled developer options. You can just exit and then type in the search developer. You will see developer options. If you don't see it, just exit the settings app and then open it again and try it, and you will find the developer options. Now the developer options are enabled. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.